Hi guys, welcome to Titostutor Your Math Pedagogue. In today's video, we're going to be doing year 8 exam revision questions. Our first question is expand and simplify. In a bracket, 9a plus 1, in the second bracket, 9a minus 1. And we know that bracket means multiplication. So because there are two terms in this bracket, the first term must multiply the two terms of the second bracket first. So 9a multiplied by 9a is going to give you 9 times 9 is 81, and a times a is a squared. Okay, then this 9a is going to multiply minus 1 to give you minus 9a. So the first term has multiplied the two terms in the bracket. Now it's time to take this second term to multiply the two terms as well. So 1 multiplied by 9a is going to give you a plus 9a. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So you have 81a squared minus 9a plus 9a minus 1. Remember that a and a are like terms. So because they are like terms, you can simplify them. Minus 9a plus 9a cancel out each other. So that makes it 0. So this is gone. Final answer, 81a squared minus 1. And you are done. Here's our second question. It says simplify 63a squared b divided by 9ab squared. Because it's division, I'm going to change it to fraction. But before I change to fraction, I'll expand this expression. Because they are all standing side by side, it means they are multiplying each other. So for this, I have 63 times a squared is a times a multiplied by b. Division means fraction line. This is 9 times a times b squared. So it's b times b. 9 here 1, 9 here 7. A cancels a, b cancels b. I have 7 times a left on my numerator. 7 times a, and my denominator, I have just 1 times b. So my final answer is 7a over b, and I am done simplifying. Question 3. Remove bracket and simplify. Okay, so for this one, I need to expand and simplify. Same as question 1. This will multiply this to give me 4a squared. This will multiply this to give me plus 8ab. This will multiply this to give me negative ab. This will multiply this to give me negative 2b squared. ab and ab are like terms, so you can simplify. 8ab minus 1ab. Because it's algebra, you don't put 1 as the coefficient, but AB just means that there's only one of it, right? So 8 of it minus 1 of it will give you 7 of it, okay? So we have 4a squared plus 7ab minus 2b squared. This is a squared, this is ab, this is b squared. No more like terms, so you can simplify further. This is your final answer. Here's our question 4. It says remove bracket and simplify. Now you see there's only one bracket in this question. 16a minus 7 open bracket 2a minus 3b close your bracket. So you're going to use this negative 7 to open up the bracket. So it's only negative 7 that is multiplying this. Negative 7 multiply this. This 16a has nothing to do with this bracket. So just write your 16a. Negative 7 multiplied by 2a is going to give you negative 14a. Negative 7 multiplied by negative 3b. Negative and negative multiplying each other is positive. 7 times 3, 21, and it is b. Can you see? This is 16a minus 14a. They are like terms, a. 16 minus 14 is 2. 2a plus 21b. As you can see, a and b, not like terms. So this cannot be further simplified. So your final answer is 2a plus 21b, and you're done. Here's our last question for this video. It says, if a is equal to 2, b equals to negative 8, x equal to 3, and y equals to negative 5. Find the value u before e. Find the value of ax squared minus b and ax plus by. That's the second one. And there's a third one, a minus 2b all over 3 into x plus y. So let's start with the first one. It says ax squared minus b. Ax squared means a multiplied by x minus b. My a is 2. 2 times my x is 3 times another 3. And my b is a negative 8. But there's a negative in my question. Please don't throw it away. And that's why you put the other in a bracket. So you know that 2 negatives gives you a positive, right? So let's multiply first. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So this is 18 plus 8. And this is going to give me 26. And I am done. And for the second one, it's ax, meaning a times x, plus by, meaning b times y. A is 2, x is 3, plus b is a negative 8, multiplying by a negative 5. We're multiplying first before we add. 2 times 3 is 6, plus a negative 8 times a negative 5 is a positive 40. So final answer is 46, and we are done. If you enjoyed this video and you've learned something, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with anyone you think may need it, and turn on my notification so you don't miss any maths video from me. See you in the next one.